Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel, I document my own print-on-demand journey. As you might know, I'm starting to use Vexels more and more because I really like their designs, and they do have some scalable designs, which I'd like to show you now. I've only really recently discovered that possibility, but what they offer allows you to create designs within minutes. I mean, really good designs within minutes, because they offer scalable designs, which you can open, for example, in Photoshop, which is quite expensive, or you use Photopea, which is I think a free web-based tool, which can also open PSD files, and then you can go into the different layers of the design, and you can just change it and scale it, and just change the text, for example, change the color. And this is different. This is a little bit different compared to, well, it's different to, for example, Placeit or Canva, in the sense that I think the designs that Vexel offer, they are really professional, really, really good designs. And, the ones on Placeit or Canva, they are sometimes a bit simple. They are very simple, and you're quite restricted in terms of what you can do with them. Whereas the ones on Vexels, I think they are really professional, really good. And I'm just going to show you, what I've recently discovered. So you go here, if you're on Vexels, you go to Discover. And then, by the way, they also offer book covers, and I might do a separate video on that. So if you're into KDP, just click on them quickly. If you're into KDP, they offer coloring book designs, or generally book designs for KDP, which you can change. And they are so good. I mean, they really look good, and you can just change things on there. And I really like that, because they are all pre-made. They all look professional, all really good. But that's KDP. That's a different story. So you go to PSD T-shirt. Now, what they have here, they've got a range of different pre-made designs, which all look really good. I mean, look at this one here, for example. And then they have some examples of what you can do with them, because they are fully editable, and this is so good. And I mean, this opens really new possibilities. Like, for example, this one, and I'm going to download that and show it to you in Photoshop. Okay, so I've got this file open now in Photoshop, and I'm not an expert in Photoshop. I need to say that. Yesterday I've installed this software. But this channel is really about my own learnings and sharing my learnings. And I really like their designs, and I definitely, something like that will easily sell, if it's a good niche and the design is really good, I think. So the really good thing here now is that you can change the different layers, the text, some of the design elements. And again, I'm not an expert on this, and I've really just started using Photoshop, but I figured out some of the things already, and I'm quite excited about this, so I really just want to show this to you. So one thing that you can obviously do, and what you want to do when you create a t-shirt design, is obviously to remove the background, which makes it a transparent image. But obviously, if you're just working on the design, you can obviously leave it on just to see how it would look in front of a background. So what you can do here then is, for example, let's have a look. So you could go and change some of this illustration here. So you go here, and it already says double click. So you double click on it. Now what this offers you, they offer you various design elements that you can integrate now. So for example, if you're not happy with that, you could change this, you could change it to this. It always takes a sec. Oh no, I need to click on this one. 1 second. I need to deselect this one and then select this one, and you can see it's something different. Or this one here. Or you choose the wolf, for example, which I really like. And what you then do is you click on save. And then it's just updating everything. Now you can also change the colors and everything, but I'm not yet good enough in that to show you that here, but it is certainly possible. I just want to show you this possibility. So as you can see here, now we've got the wolf in here. Now what you can also do is you can change the text, for example, this text here. you can change it to, for example, I'll just say just someone who loves wolves, and that could obviously be just any text that you like. And what you can also do is change this background here. So you double click on it, you see a great sunset design here, but you can change it to another one, for example this one, and then again we go File, Save, and it saves it, and then we go back to that one and we can see that the background has changed. Now you can also change the title here, for example, well, it could be anything. Now, because I don't have the actual font installed, I would need to download this. So in some designs, they've got a special font, so you need to find it somewhere online and change it. But if you don't have the font and if you don't want to download it, you can change it to a different font. So I just say Wolf at the moment. But again, Wolf. But again, you can just you can change it to anything that you like. I just put anything in here now just for the purpose of this video. And then again, you save it and you go back. And as you can see here, it has changed it. Now you can do all sorts of things. You can change the colors. And as again, here you can change the footer here, where it says 1990. And, you know, again, you can just change that. So I won't show you that because I've shown you the other ones. And then you can remove the background and you can just save it. And you can obviously also change colors here. But again, you can change all sorts of things. But again, this allows you to create or scale designs easily. And it helps you to just create different designs very quickly, save them, and then you can upload them. I'm going to show you another one which I really like. So let's say you just want to do a text-based one. So they've got really good text-based ones as well, as you can see here. So let's choose this one here. All right, so we've got this one here now. Change this quote, it says. So you can just change the text again to what you like. So again, you double click on the text here, and we could just say, for example, you could do anything. You could do a motivational one. So we could just call it Believe in Yourself. And then again, we click on Save. And we go back and it will have changed it. And then again, you can remove the background and just save it. Or you can change the color. You can change the font as well. Let me see if I can do that here. Good text. Yeah, so you can change the font here. Really use any font you like. Let's see how I speed it. Make it a bit smaller maybe. Maybe 500. Save it, and that probably won't look good, but it just shows you can easily change your font as well. You can obviously use all the Photoshop features. Yeah, this doesn't really look particularly good, but you know, you can change a better font, and this allows you just to change easily some good designs. And if we go back to the website here, you can see they've got a lot of really good designs, also this, and they already give you some ideas. You can click on see more here and they will show you more. And they've got a lot of pages here that you can click through, and the designs will look really professional. And you know, some of them are really good, and you can do this really quickly, as you can see here. So here, for example, this is a funny one where you can just upload also, if you want to, you can upload obviously your own photos, for example. But I've seen this one quite a lot here, so straight out of my bed. And this is obviously how many other guys are doing it. So as you can see here, various colors, various different designs for all occasions. And yeah, this is just something I recommend you have a look at. Obviously, Vexels have a subscription service like Canva, like Placeit, but I think, well, this is a bit more professional. It looks like a bit more professional than compared with Canva or Placeit. Don't get me wrong, I like Placeit and Canva as well, but I'm really excited about this because, you know, at the moment for example, I'm using my templates, for example, on Canva. I've created my templates. But then it pretty much means if I've got a template, yeah, I can scale it, I can create different designs, but they will in the end all look quite similar. Whereas here, I've got so many different templates that I can use. And I think this is so powerful because they give you the templates that you can use. So this is really good. And I think you're in a really good place if you can use these here, change them, make them your own, and then upload them, and you get a really, really good design. And you can create a lot of designs with this. All right, so hopefully this was useful. If it was, then I would be very, very happy and thankful if you click on the like button and if you subscribe to the channel, if you want to follow me on my own print-on-demand journey. So I hope I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.